Hello, we are Julia and Miguel, and today we are starting our road trip through Baja California. Where we're going today, Miggy?
We're gonna be going to San Felipe. Let's see what the journey awaits. Let's see what the journey.
Let's go!
So before the road trip, we have to pump some gas. We have our tanks here. We're gonna fill these up for the generator. You're gonna see how much the big motorhome takes. Looking like 1,400 so far. We'll see if it takes over 2,000. Okay, so it looks like the motorhome just got filled up. It took 2,770. That's almost $150. And it already had one quarter tank. Now we gotta fill up the generator ones. These are 20 each. Okay, that one's done. We reached the limits. That's 3,000 entire pesos. 150, 160 US. Now we just need this baby. That's 20 more.
We've been on the road for 5 minutes and we almost got stuck in a palm tree field with dates.
We stopped for a picture and it's like a little cantilever here. So on the way back, I hit the little mountain. My rear bumper is now pushed in. Yeah, like I hit it with the like the towing thing, and the bumper got pushed in.
Oh.
I mean, it's very little, but
you can appreciate the palm trees, and here you can appreciate our pictures.
Back on the road.
Back on the road.
Yeah, so they put, I don't know if you know the process of the dates, but the dates obviously come out of the palm tree. Then they wrap them in a bag. That way it gets very hot and they get ripe. And then they let them dry for a while, and then they get very sweet. You get that. There's so much water.
GPS told us to turn, and now we ended up here. It's a very, very bumpy street for a while, and then we gotta get on another main road.
There's no way we go this way.
But there's no way. It's all wet from the rain.
Because the RV is so long, it's hard to reverse. Because if there's any uneven areas, you hit bumps.
We are in Guadalupe right now. That's the name of the town, but not in Valle de Guadalupe. I'll show you on the map where we are. Okay, we're gonna reverse more and then
trying to go this way too.
And then see you on the main road. Hello.
Again.
We're gonna try this turn now. Looks a little bit less bumpy.
That other turn was just so weird.
Going local Sonora. Ah yeah, we're in the Mexican state Sonora right now.
Right now, I don't know where we're going right now, Julie.
We arrived at the end of the road, and there's a train track here. That's not on the GPS. Yeah, it says we can cross here.
Yeah, how in the world are we gonna cross through here? Are we gonna make it?
We have found the path to the other side. We are crossing the
train coming, right?
No. Oh. We are crossing the right of way. Ah. Bumpy, but we made it.
30 minutes later, we made it to the road. That's the most confusing street I've seen in my life.
Now to the right. Let's continue. Interesting so far.
It's red.
It's red?
Yeah,
oh yeah. Right now on the left hand side side we have Pink Lagoon.
This is a natural pink lagoon.
Yeah.
Not like in Yucatan, they have a pink lagoon, but it's made by the people. They put a bunch of salt. Look at it. Oh, wow.
On this side you can appreciate a lot of mountains up there. You have some bushes and everything keeps changing every few minutes. The wild nature.
So this is a military checkpoint. They basically make sure you're not taking any weapons or any of that stuff down to Cabo. We'll see.
So they can search our car?
They can search it, but they typically don't. They typically just ask where you're going and let you keep going.
Hola.
¿Podría revisar, por favor?
Sí. ¿Va a abrir la puerta que ya?
Okay, he's checking the car. Let's see how that goes. That was quick.
Yeah, so sometimes people bring a bunch of weapons or money down south. It always happens. They bring weapons, money down south, and then drugs up north. So those people are checking basically for drugs, and these people check for weapons or anything. Obviously, this is huge, so if we had this thing full of guns, well, you know, it'd be a big problem for them. But yeah, all good.
All good. We have made it to the Malecon of San Felipe.
San Felipe is a coastal city on the Gulf of California. Historically, it's a fishing town, but nowadays very well known for its beaches and desert racing. After driving through the main streets for a couple of minutes, we quickly knew that this was not the vibe we're looking for. It was just very Americanized, so we decided to find a camp spot outside the city.
We don't really know where we're gonna stay tonight, so we're trying to find a campsite in the middle of nowhere next to the beach.
We passed probably 15 campsites, but we're gonna pick the one that's of the group that's the furthest out. So I think probably those are the good ones. Everybody goes and stays at the little basic ones, the first ones they see. We're gonna go towards the back.